Come on in and welcome to my kitchen. In our last video, we learned how to make ofako. If you're yet to watch that video, I'll be leaving a link for you in the description section so you can head on to that video and try it out. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make fried rice using the stove top. Someone had commented on one of my videos asking me that I should make fried rice using the oven. And I rightly responded to the person that in my book, when you use the oven for your fried rice, it doesn't stand as fried rice anymore because the name comes from the fact that you are frying the rice. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve a tasty fried rice. Very, very tasty. That all the vegetables that you're going to be using for it will come out very tasty in addition to the rice. And because this is the festive period, I've decided that I was going to be uploading every week so that you have something that you're going to look forward to. So, without us speaking too much, let's head onto the work table and start cooking.
Kindly see the description section for ingredient list guide. In the next few slides, I will be showing you how to make your own chicken stock. Also, for this particular recipe, the Badia complete seasoning takes the fried rice up a notch. Chop about the size of ginger and add it in. Next is your mixed spice. Grate in about half size of fresh nutmeg. I love it fresh because it is stronger tasting, more aromatic, and adds considerable more flavor to it than the pre-ground ones. Add in your bay leaves for added aroma. Top the content with water. Cover it up and bring it to a boil under high heat so that all the spices and herbs would have spoken to each other. Have a taste when it has come to a boil and add salt if needed. Reduce your heat level to moderate. Some minutes later, check for doneness. Transfer this meat into a bowl. And sieve out your golden chicken stock. Let's get to the rice. Stir in your rice and let it boil for some minutes. Between 5 to 10 minutes is fine. Till you have it like shown. Proceed to rinsing out the rice to remove as much starch as possible. This single step helps take out any sogginess. Wash this rice till the water runs clear. Transfer the contents back into the pot. Add in 1 tablespoon margarine for extra flavor and to minimize stickiness further. Pour in your chicken stock and add in your turmeric powder for color. Then mix till well incorporated. Cover it and cook under low to moderate heat. While that is doing its thing, prepare your shrimp. Defrost completely as shown. Sieve and allow it to drain. Sprinkle some Badia complete seasoning like so and mix till well incorporated. Some minutes later, check your rice for doneness and dryness. Your knife should come out dry, and you want to be able to press on the grain with no resistance like so. Once that is achieved, fluff your rice. If you did not mix your rice thoroughly after adding your turmeric powder, there will be clusters of this all over your rice, and we don't want that. Transfer your rice into a bowl and place in your refrigerator to stop the cooking process. Another option is to spread it out on your tray and leave it on your countertop. Whatever works for you is fine. Let's prepare our fresh vegetables. I don't like the mixed frozen vegetable that has the string beans, majorly because of the size it comes in. I love my veggies all in same size as much as possible and to be evenly cooked. The string beans takes a longer time to soften compared to the frozen carrots, peas or corn in it. You run into either overcooking these carrots combos or undercook the string beans. Dice your string beans into size similar to the carrots and set aside. I love the extra kick this bell pepper adds to my fried rice. I will advise you to take out the white parts inside it as much as you can, because I have noticed that this is what houses the liquid content, and we don't need the liquid when we fry our rice. Dice as you did for the string beans and set aside. This is what they should look like. Do you notice the similar size? Yes, that is what we want. At this stage, all your players are ready for the frying process. Preheat some oil. Starting with the tofu veggies, stir in your diced string beans and green bell pepper. Add in your Badia complete seasoning. This well-balanced powder makes a world of distinct difference in your Nigerian fried rice. I will highly recommend it. Thoroughly mix in and allow it to fry for some minutes, about 3 to 5 minutes depending on the amount. Stir at interval. Go ahead and add your frozen veggies just like shown. Then mix everything together thoroughly, spreading it out evenly. The color combination at this stage should be appealing to you. And yes, I can feel your excitement at this stage as they are all coming together. Taste and see if you need to add some more seasoning powder or just salt. One advice: start with salt so you don't overkill with your seasoning powder. Bite on your veggie. It should have some crunch to it because we will still stir in the rice for some minutes. We do not want to overcook our veggies and also lose those bright colors that we already achieved. I love to take out some of the veggies as shown. Especially as a beginner, it helps you control the balance between the rice and the vegetable. Then proceed to adding your rice. Advise you go spoonful by spoonful and stir together. At this stage, it is a personal preference thing. You decide how much vegetables to rice you want. You will notice I did not finish my rice, but I finished my vegetable. So it's all up to you. Another advice is that you can do this process in batches, especially if you're cooking a lot. Because trust me, it is really a serious ham exercise to get even frying if you put too much at a time. So take note on that and take your time. Once everything looks like you want it, add in your shrimp. Then keep frying everything. Till the shrimp turns pink, like so. Once they have all turned pink, take it off the stove top and give yourself a V-Love to Cook fist pump. The lighting in my kitchen was not doing justice to the color combination, so here it is in the natural sunlight. Isn't that a breath of fresh colors? And the flavor, oh la la, is just amazing. Once you try this out, please remember to leave me a feedback comment. Share this video, like, subscribe, and ring your notification bell for instant upload updates. Welcome on board to my new subs, and a big hugs and kisses to my olders. Thank you for watching. Until next time, when I see you again, let's learn and cook together. Bye-bye.